Oh, I gotta get my vows.
Is that everything?
Yes, and now you can get the boys.
Boys and the girls?
Boys and the girls, yeah, just not ALLEGRA.
There's a whole bunch more.
It's happening. Beautiful ladies.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
So, Days, how's this gonna work? It's making me think about getting married.
Just gonna walk around here, walk up the aisle.
How about you, Colin? Does this make you wanna?
Hold your horses, Glenn.
Hey, guys. You guys look lovely.
You're welcome. Nicely done. Have a good evening.
Oh, you look so pretty.
Hey, ladies, if you want to leave the Allegra, I'm at the back of the boat, thanks.
Hi.
Wow.
So I went with a very subtle
You
look
look beautiful.
for the lovely bride. All right. Bye. Good luck. Have fun.
Okay. I'll just be down there.
Yeah. Just try to go as fast as you can. Okay. Marcos, can I talk to you about the menu? What plates do you need? What silverware?
Surf and turf, steak night, and a
Big
fork.
fork, and then
Yeah.
cake knives.
Everyone's there waiting for you. Don't worry, he doesn't have any running shoes on. No. Oh, you're adorable, eh? Gosh.
Oh, look, here they come.
And then someone's gonna grab her dress.
I'll get your train.
So mine.
Yeah, if you just want to like sort of sit down here.
Jerry, just hand it to me.
That's so cute.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, we're on. Looks so great. Okay, we've come here today to celebrate the coming together of two lives. To share with you, ALLEGRA, and you, Gabriel, this occasion of making a total commitment to each other. Gabriel, please now say your vows to ALLEGRA.
I don't believe in love at first sight, but I was struck the moment I saw you. ALLEGRA, I care more about you than anything in the whole wide world, and wherever this winding path of life takes us, I vow to always be by your side, holding you up.
Very nice. ALLEGRA, please now say your vows to Gabriel.
Gabe, you're the smartest person I know, and the most thoughtful, and the kindest. You make me feel like the most beautiful person in the world every single day. Gabe, it's always been you, and it will always be you. I love you.
I just want to say, may you be poor in misfortune, rich in blessings, and may you live out the meaning of this moment all the days of your lives. And I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Chariot awaits.
Should I toss the bouquet now, or?
I think it's nice here, like if the girls maybe go behind you here. I've never been part of one of these.
Okay, ready?
I'm not marrying you, Daisy!
You're such a dick.